Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making cracked out tater tot casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a 9x13 baking pan. I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. This is canola. Now this cracked out tater tot casserole is not called that because it has a drug problem. That's just the name of it. I don't want you guys to think we're doing some crack induced casserole here. Now I have a 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to mix everything right in my baking pan, guys. We're going to keep this as simple as possible. But you could mix your ingredients in a bowl and then transfer them over to your baking pan. But I'm all about quick and easy. Get rid of that. Now I have a 16 ounce container of sour cream. We're going to get that down in there. Like I've said many times before, I don't mind sour cream in cooking, but I will not eat it on salads or tacos or nothing like that. I just don't like the flavor. It's too sour for me. Okay. And like I said, guys, this is going to be really quick and easy. Now I have a 1 ounce container or 1 ounce pack of ranch dressing mix. We're going to get that in there. I'm just going to give that a stir quick to get everything mixed together. You want to make sure you mix it well because you want your flavors well blended. You don't want one family member getting a bland piece of casserole and the other one getting overwhelmed by seasoning. So I'm just going to blend this together. Alright, we're going to mix this more then, guys, so I'm not going to go crazy mixing it right now. I have a pound of bacon here I baked up and I left it cool and broke it up in chunks. We're going to get that in there. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to eyeball this because this here is a big bag of cheddar cheese my sister-in-law gave me. There's no quantity on it. That's about 2 cups. Give that a stir. And who doesn't love cheese and bacon, right? We're looking good, guys. Looking good. Alright, now I have a 32 ounce pack of tater tots here that I pre-bake. If you pre-bake them, they're going to stay crispier and they're going to bake quicker when you put your casserole together. I'm just going to mix this all together. And as this bakes, the sour cream and the cheese will melt into the tater tots. You just want to try to mix that together without smashing your tater tots up. And guys, that sour cream and ranch mixture with the soup, that would go great mixed in with mashed potatoes. For like a seasoned mashed potato. It's only a suggestion. I'm going to go ahead and smooth this out. Try to even it out as best as possible. It's looking mighty fine, guys. Looking mighty fine. Alright, get that little bit off of there. Now I'm going to add a little more shredded cheddar cheese on top. Just a nice healthy coating. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven uncovered for about 20 to 25 minutes until my cheese is melted and everything's heated through. Alright, this just came out of the oven. It took 20 minutes. Now I use a convection bake on my oven. If you don't have a convection oven, it might take a little longer, 25 minutes. I'm going to top it with some dried chives for color and a little bit of flavor, guys. This is just optional. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Here, let me get in here and give this a try. It's going to be hot. If you like, you can let yours sit for a few minutes to cool down a bit. It's really good. You get the cheese, the bacon, that ranch seasoning. Now the tater tots, they're not really that crispy. By pre-baking them, that pretty much speeds up the baking process after we put this together. It's really good, guys. It's creamy, cheesy, bacony. It's really delicious. All right, there you have it. Cracked out tater tot casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.